Hey everybody, welcome back to Conscientious Omnivore. My name is Pal. Out here at the property this morning, I'm going to be doing some work at the house, and just wanted to quickly show you guys another update on the squash and pumpkin project. They are exploding, man. They are doing so well. I should probably stake this tomato as well. The volunteer tomato is doing pretty good here. There's some flowers on there. Maybe we'll get some fruit. And anyway, I mean, you can see it's kind of come this way a lot. It's going off that way towards the bushes. It's actually inside the bush and going up through the bush as well. Same thing over there. There's flowers all along going all the way up. It's already like at the top of the bush on there. More flowers kind of forming. There's a little squash there at the end, although that one's turning yellow. It might fall off, I don't know. I've seen a few of them fall off. That kind of happens sometimes. But here, this thing, I mean, it's just like spilled over the bush, coming down on the ground. Same thing here, coming out past the little what the heck is that thing called, Quincy apple. And there's another one here coming towards the newer compost pile. Got more stuff kind of growing. Here's another view of the stuff going up, way up into the top of the bush. You can see way over there, there's flowers there as well, more squash forming there. So it's really cool. And one of them here is quite large already, actually. So right here, I'll just put my hand there for reference. I mean, this one's already doing really great. It's like maybe like 1.5, almost 2 hands wide, you know. It's really cool. There's like another one right here, top of the leaf. It's slightly smaller, but getting bigger. Looking pretty good. So yeah, I mean, it's really cool. Lots of flowers, lots more stuff forming. So I will definitely say that this is a good idea, putting the squash into the or the pumpkins, putting them into the compost. It's just looking great, man. I am so psyched about this. So I would say successful experiment so far. If you want to see how they turn out, make sure to subscribe. If you like the video, please give it a thumbs up. Let me know how your garden is doing. Let me know how your squash is doing. Where do you plant them? Where do you grow them? And yeah, let me know if you have any good tips. I might even walk up in here and show you guys, just, you know, in here. Look at that growth. Look at that. It looks great. More in there. Another nice little squash formed in there. It's looking really good. I'm very excited about this. Creeping along nicely. Very cool. All right, guys, that's it for the video. See you in another one soon. Bye.